Hi, and welcome to Jay's Helpful Videos. So after 5 years, my boiler is once again noisy, and I'm hearing the knocking sound from the boiler kettling. Well, for those that saw my initial video, I followed my own steps and thoroughly cleaned the water side of the boiler once again. However, this time, after only a few short days, my boiler started to make noise again. So I investigated a little further and found a universal corrosion inhibitor called Sludge Hammer made by Hercules. I added it to the system and my boiler has been running great for weeks. Let me show you what I did. So instead of draining all the water out of the boiler, I'm going to use a drill pump to pump the Sludge Hammer into the boiler. The pump came with a short green garden hose, and I added a washing machine hose to the discharge side of the pump. First, I shut the power, closed the makeup water valve on the boiler, and let the boiler cool down. Next, I drained about a gallon of water from the boiler. This helped to reduce the pressure in the boiler and allowed me to add the Sludge Hammer into the boiler. My system holds about 25 gallons of water, so I mixed the 32-ounce container of the product into the bucket of water I drained from the boiler. Next, I connected the hose on the discharge side of the pump to the boiler, and I put the other hose in the bucket. I then slowly added the mixture to the boiler, keeping an eye on the pressure gauge so it would not go above 20 pounds. I restored the system to normal operation and ran all the zones for about 15 minutes to disperse the Sludge Hammer throughout the system. That's all it took, and my boiler is operating great once again. I hope you liked the video. Please take time to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.